Sadri, Wayasiri Amri, Wahlul Uqdatan, min lisani yafqahu qawli. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good morning po sa lahat ng dumalo ngayon dito sa ating World Hijab Day. And also, I would like to appreciate our guest of honor, my cousin-in-law, the Provincial Prosecutor, Ma'am Norjaifa Makaraman Asm. I have to say my cousin family name. Si Almin is my cousin. And of course, lahat po ng bisita natin, hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin kasi ang dami. And of course, my personal visitor, the CEO of Shan and Lee Company, Mr. Lee. Hello, sir, thank you for joining us here today. I appreciate you po from galing sa malayo. And my fellow NCMF colleagues, hello mga sis. And my auntie, Auntie Jing, thank you for partnering me with OMA CCC. Sir Nash, thank you. Sana ulit-ulit hindi lang ito, pati yung mga maliliit na program sa Iligan, mag-partner tayo. Kasi hindi lang po para sa office yun, it's also my ibada. Most of my program po is on my personal may ibada po. Yun na yung way of worshiping ko, helping. As a representative of the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos, I'm honored to be part of the celebration of the World Hijab Day here in Iligan City. Why Iligan? That I am a leader, I am a provincial director in Lanao del Sur. Naisip ko po na dito ako, mas kailangan nila dito yung hijab. Kaya dito ako nag-join sa program nila, partner. Kasi sa marami po naman, parang everyone has, kahit saan, maraming hijab, mostly mga maranaw talagang pinanganak yan, naka-hijab. And hijab awareness for me is most likely must needed here in Iligan City and other Christian area. Kasi po, kailangan ma-appreciate nila yung what is hijab? Why do we wear hijab? When hijab is often viewed as a religious obligation, many Muslims interpret teachings from the Quran and Hadith as a mandate to wear hijab, fulfilling to maintain modesty, reflecting their commitment to values. Secondly, it serves as a vital aspect of cultural identity for countless women. The hijab symbolizes their heritage, tradition, fostering a sense of belongingness with their commitments and communities. Moreover, wearing hijab can be a source of personal empowerment. It allows Muslim women to express their identities on their own terms, fostering confidence and comfort who they are. The hijab also embodies principles of modesty and privacy. Many women choose to wear it as a reflection of their values, shifting focus away from physical appearance and emphasizing respect for themselves. Finally, social factors play a significant role in some communities. Wearing hijab is a norm reinforced by family and societal expectations, and many women find inspiration in role models who wear it. In conclusion, wearing hijab is multifaceted practice shaped by religious beliefs, cultural identity, personal empowerment, values of modesty, societal influence. Each woman's decisions to wear hijab is deeply personal, reflecting a unique blend of these factors. Yun lang. Nagpapasalamat po ako. Yun yung explanation ng hijab. Why do we wear hijab? Hanggang doon lang po. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng dumalo. And inshallah, we are ready for our hijab giveaway. Hintayin niyo po din. At mayroon tayong lunch ngayon. We will distribute it